Hello everyone. If we want to repair Audi A4 HK2 B8 2.0 TDI 105 kW, you can use special tool, then cam block tool, then counter support tool, key tool, and cam grab lock tool, then alley key, then tension roller block and pin. You can turn the direction socket. You see the straight is the significant. So you can require, then this is the camshaft pose. So depend on the engine. The engine C or gear or depend on engine. Then the torque arm screw and depend on engine. Both high pressure pump depend on engine. So you need to can choose the program engine CMFR tension roller nut to control Europo engine, then a tall ball guard center, then a vibration damper and so. So I think that you understand what I mean. So if we remove of this one, and then we set then has lock ground point. Then number 2 is the lock point. Number 1 is the ground pulley. Number 3 is the marking. Marking is this one. Touch ball. Then a ball. So you can see number 1 is camshaft ball. Number 2 is the camshaft timing gear. Then a camshaft timing gear. I think that you can lock hold it. Is this one is lock hold it. So slang and timing and wheel apply through loose ball high pressure pump and his high pressure pump. 2 is the ball high pressure pump in pump. 1 is the high pressure pump pulley. So if we look on the 4, it must use the alley key. Then 2 is the block and hold. Use the block and hold. One and 3 is the turn the eccentric tension anti-clockwise. So require special tool here. Yeah. Ensure that tension roller 10. Yeah. You see the pictures says one Allen key for tension rotor and centrally. For intention roller nut, tension roller block pin is one we take action from here, and then strike is be mid is central. Ensure that the stop figure crankshaft lock must be engaged. Seize all. Insert crankshaft lock pin. If the blocking cannot be inserted, process following: screw in crankshaft timing gear, screw in hand tie. Turn crankshaft gear until crankshaft locking pin. Insert one. Then in locking. Screw loosen comes timing gear approach to turn. To turn number 3. Require special tool. Then special tool. See the picture 7. Insert the crankshaft lock into high pressure pump. Then insert. Require special tool. Require special tool. Crankshaft locking pin. Then two crankshaft locking pin for the bell. One the highest present pressure pump pulley. 3 in the ball. I think that processing to understand that is the high precision pump. Number 2 is the screw. We can tie. Some we want to tie. Yes. This is frame is the point stick. Rotation is clockwise. Use Allen key is the reset 2, 4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5. Rotation. 2, 4 and 5. 5 is center. If I know you understand what I mean, I can read the process following the high pump. Insert the crank pins block into pulley. Turn both the crank timing gear and the high pressure pump in the clock and by it the up hole to stop. Place the tooth bell crank. Rotation. Loose the tension roll nut. Remove the tension roller pin. Ensure. Oh, you do understand. I think they're doing. You need not want to check engine. Then is the check crankshaft locking tool. Must lock mid and hold it. Turn an engine as the crankshaft by 2 revolutions in the engine. Turn in direction for until marking shortly TDC. TDC, I mean that TDC. Insert crank locking tool. Turn engine in direction to rotation. Blocking engage in hold out the rotation movement. Require special tool. Is the special tool. Require. Insert. Point the tension roller must the position middle of the base and rear sub, but may be turned maximum 5 mm. Turn to the right. I mean that from the is to the right. 5 mm from the right. So you can check. correct timing belt. React crankshaft locking tool until tunnel hole once or this one hole in. Turn crankshaft against engine running direction until marking shortly TDC. Rotation engine direction rotation until cam locking can be inserted. Select camshaft timing gear wheel screw. Yeah, I know. Do you understand? Turn engine direction in the hole. Please turn camshaft screw. Apply 20 Newton. 20 Newton. I mean 20 Newton camshaft. Yes, I think that is the best. 20 Newton. Remove all the block tool. Change control timing. Tighten camshaft pulley screw. Just it's all. You do have to lucky to see. Lucky to see. All everything is all. Do you understand? Yeah, I hope you understand for my mention above. I think that do have lucky for Audi. I hope you can install well and remove well. No problem. You repair all the tool like this. Thank you for watching.